Hi, I'm Ashley, Senior Clinical Advisor at Carepatron, and I'm here to help guide you through the Communication Worksheet. What is a Communication Worksheet? Effective communication is the cornerstone of healthy relationships and successful interactions in all aspects of life. However, mastering the art of communication can be a difficult process. These worksheets are a great tool to aid individuals, couples, families, and groups in enhancing their communication skills as they focus on critical areas such as active listening, assertive communication, conflict resolution, and nonverbal communication. Specifically, these worksheets highlight 3 areas in its 2 sections, the first being active listening. This involves actively paying attention to verbal and nonverbal cues from the other person. The worksheet helps with clarifying and summarizing info for greater understanding and engagement in conversations. Assertive communication is another vital aspect covered, as it teaches individuals to express their thoughts and feelings clearly and directly without being aggressive or passive. Finally, this worksheet also touches on conflict resolution with strategies and techniques for resolving disagreements constructively. Nonverbal communication, including body language, eye contact, facial expressions, and tone of voice, is also emphasized across answers. As a result, it is commonly used by therapists, counselors, and more. How to use a communication worksheet. The first step is to fill in the name and date and read the instructions. The client will then need to complete Activity A, about effective communication, as well as Activity B, which involves communication scenarios. To view a sample worksheet of the Communication Worksheet, head on over to carepatron.com where you can download and access the worksheet for free. You can also access the worksheet through the Carepatron platform. Simply filter within the Community section, type in the keywords, and select the note to customize however you wish. Thanks for watching, and remember to subscribe to Carepatron to view more healthcare videos.